you start off with a single page application, no authentication, right? So was a trigger point to continue to build upon when, you started seeing a lot of use case, like you said you raked up some few $1,000s of OpenAI billing, right? So was that a trigger when you said, you know what, maybe this is something that seems to be working. Now I just need to double down.
Yeah, I mean, when I had built it, I did not foresee what was to come.
Yeah.
I knew I wanted to build something, and it was more so building an MVP,
Mm-hmm.
not because I thought that it was going to grow into what it was, but it was more so like I just want to,
Scratch an itch.
get something going, just to get a little bit of experience in terms of software development.
Yeah.
And I think when I had built it, and at that time, it was such a novelty, right? There was no
Mm-hmm.
chat. It was 2 months before Chat GPT came out. It
Oh,
was a
okay.
couple of months before AI was everywhere in the
Yeah.
news.
Yeah.
And so when you see this tool, right, that's used by a billion people in the world, and it's like,
Mm-hmm.
hey, this tool is 100% free. Like I
Mm-hmm.
said, no login.
Mm-hmm.
It went viral overnight,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
even at that point, like I knew how easy it was to build, and
Mm-hmm.
so I knew that there was no kind of barrier to entry.
Yeah. Yeah.
And so even then, I was kind of sus suspect to the fact that it could be an actual business that I could eventually quit my job on.
Okay.
At that same time, though, there was another company's called or was called Tersho, Tersho,
Okay.
and they had built the exact same thing, like to the T, exact
Okay.
same
Okay.
thing,
I see. Mm-hmm.
and they were funded by Y Combinator.
Oh.
And so that was kind of like the first touch of validation, because
Mm-hmm.
I'm like, okay, if this Y Combinator company sees something in this idea,
Yeah.
they've probably done a lot more market research than I've done.
Did. Yeah.
So that was like, I would say that was kind of the first trigger,
Mm-hmm.
realizing that this could be something bigger.
Mm-hmm.
And then, every day since then, just kind of adding new features every single day. And the product today is definitely not what the product was a couple of years ago.